Have you ever wondered why some people are making six figures working from their kitchen table while others are stuck in traffic heading to jobs they hate? What if I told you that right now, as you're watching this video, there are ordinary people with no special degrees or connections who are pulling in more money from their laptops than most executives make in corner offices? Stop scrolling for just 10 minutes because what I'm about to share could literally change the trajectory of your entire life. My name is Sarah, and 2 years ago, I was drowning in debt, working a soul-crushing 9-to-5 that barely covered my rent. Today, I'm about to show you the exact system that allowed me to build a location-independent income stream that generates more in a month than my old job paid in 6 months. But here's the thing that nobody talks about in those flashy, get-rich-quick schemes you see plastered all over social media. This isn't about drop shipping, crypto, or any of those overhyped trends that come and go faster than your morning coffee gets cold. What I'm sharing today is something much more powerful and sustainable. It's about taking the skills you already have locked inside your brain right now and turning them into money-making machines that work for you 24/7. Before we dive deep into the strategies that are going to blow your mind, I need to destroy 3 massive lies that are keeping millions of talented people trapped in financial mediocrity. First lie, you need years of experience to start making money online. Complete garbage. I've personally coached people who made their first $1,000 within 30 days of starting, and some of them had 0 professional experience in their chosen field. Second lie, you need expensive equipment or a huge upfront investment. Wrong again. The most successful remote worker I know started with nothing but a basic laptop and a smartphone. She's now running a 7-figure business from a beach house in Costa Rica. Third lie, the market is too saturated and there's no room for new people. This one makes me laugh because every single day, new problems emerge in the digital world, and businesses are desperately searching for solutions. Let me paint you a picture of what's really happening out there in the remote work revolution. While traditional jobs are becoming more competitive and less secure, the demand for skilled remote workers is exploding at a rate that most people can't even comprehend. Companies are realizing that hiring remote talent gives them access to the best people globally while cutting their overhead costs by massive amounts. Here's where it gets interesting. The secret isn't in chasing the most popular skills that everyone talks about. The real money is in identifying the skills you already possess and packaging them in ways that solve specific problems for specific types of businesses. Think about it like this. You might think you're just good at organizing things, but to an overwhelmed entrepreneur, your organizational skills could be worth thousands of dollars per month. Let me break down the 5 most profitable skill categories that anyone can monetize starting immediately. First category is problem-solving consulting. This isn't about having a fancy business degree. This is about taking your natural ability to see solutions and selling that clarity to business owners who are stuck. I know a former grocery store clerk who now makes $8,000 a month helping small restaurants optimize their operations. Second category is content creation and storytelling. Before you say you're not creative enough, listen to this. Every business on the planet needs content, but most business owners hate creating it or don't have time. If you can write emails, create social media posts, or tell stories that connect with people, you have a skill worth its weight in digital gold. Third category is technical problem solving. This doesn't mean you need to be a coding genius. Simple tasks like setting up websites, managing online tools, or troubleshooting basic technical issues are worth serious money to business owners who would rather focus on what they do best. Fourth category is relationship building and community management. If you're naturally good with people and enjoy connecting others, businesses will pay you handsomely to manage their online communities, handle customer service, or build relationships with potential clients. Fifth category is education and training. Whatever you know how to do well, someone out there is willing to pay to learn it faster. This could be anything from teaching English to showing people how to use specific software or even sharing your hobby expertise. Now, here's where most people mess this up completely. They try to be everything to everyone instead of becoming the go-to expert for one specific type of client. The money is in specialization. Instead of being a general virtual assistant, become the virtual assistant who specifically helps real estate agents. Instead of being a general content writer, become the content writer who specializes in helping fitness coaches. The next crucial step is understanding how to price yourself properly. Most beginners make the fatal mistake of competing on price instead of value. When you compete on price, you're essentially telling the world that your work isn't worth much. When you compete on value, you attract clients who understand that quality work requires proper investment. Start by calculating what your time needs to be worth to reach your income goals. If you want to make $5,000 a month and work 20 hours a week, your hourly rate needs to be at least $60. Don't apologize for charging what you're worth. Confidence in your pricing reflects confidence in your ability to deliver results. Building your online presence is your next mission, but forget about needing a perfect website or professional photos. Your online presence is about proving you can deliver results. Start by creating case studies of problems you've solved, even if they were for friends or in previous jobs. Document your process, show your thinking, and demonstrate the outcomes you created. Social media becomes your broadcasting station, but not in the way most people think. Instead of posting random thoughts, share insights about your industry, comment intelligently on other people's posts, and position yourself as someone who understands the challenges your target clients face. The real game changer is learning to think like a business owner instead of an employee. Business owners don't buy hours of your time. They buy solutions to their problems and results that move their business forward. When you shift your mindset from selling time to selling outcomes, everything changes. Networking in the remote work world happens differently than traditional networking. Join online communities where your ideal clients hang out. Participate in conversations, share valuable insights, and build genuine relationships. The goal isn't to immediately pitch your services, but to become known as someone who adds value to every conversation. Your success in remote work isn't determined by your current skill level or your background. It's determined by your willingness to start before you feel ready and your commitment to continuously improving your craft. The most successful remote workers I know treat themselves like athletes, constantly training and refining their abilities. The remote work revolution isn't coming, it's already here, and every day you wait is money left on the table. The question isn't whether remote work can change your life. The question is whether you're ready to stop making excuses and start building the location-independent lifestyle you deserve. Stop waiting for permission to create the life you want. Your skills have value right now, and there are people willing to pay for them today. Take the first step, start the conversation, and watch how quickly your world begins to expand beyond anything you thought possible.